In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in a GitHub repository. Creating a folder in GitHub is useful when you want to organize your project files into sections, such as images, documentation, source code, components, or assets. GitHub does not have a separate Create Folder button, but you can create a folder by adding a new file inside it. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign in to your account. Then go to the repository where you want to create the folder. Once you are inside the repository, click Add File, then choose Create New File. This will open GitHub's file editor. Now, in the file name field, type the name of the folder you want to create, followed by a /. For example, if you want to create a folder called Images, type images/. After the slash, type the name of a file that will be placed inside that folder. For example, you can type images/readme.md. This tells GitHub to create a folder named Images and place a file called readme.md inside it. Next, add some simple content to the file. For example, you can write, "This folder contains project images." GitHub requires a file inside the folder because empty folders are not saved in Git repositories. After that, scroll down to the commit section. Write a clear commit message, such as "Create Images folder" or "Add folder structure." Then choose whether to commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch. For a simple folder creation, committing directly to the main branch is usually fine. Finally, click Commit Changes. When you return to your repository file list, you should now see the new folder. You can use the same method to create more folders, such as docs, assets, scripts, or source. Just remember that each folder must contain at least one file to appear in GitHub. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.